Welcome to your own channel of Right Funda. There is a question based on moment of inertia. What is saying that find the radius of gyration of a system of two rods, each of mass m and length l, about an axis shown. So this is our two rod system there. About this axis, we have to find the moment of inertia, and we'll see how to solve this question. Each rod's length is l and mass is m. And this one rod is shifted by L by 3 distance. So if you see first rod, this axis is a perpendicular bisector axis. So I can find the momentum of first rod is equal to 1 by 12 ml square. That we know clearly. Now if the second rod's momentum inertia I want to find out, that this length is given the L by 3. Okay? So this is given L by 3 and we know this length is equal to L by 2. So this rod has been shifted by how much length? This length you calculate, L by 2 minus L by 3 is equal to L by 6. So this rod has been shifted by L by 6. So center of mass of this rod must be here. Center of mass must be here, where this length will be equal to L by 6. This we will see from the geometry. Once you find out, everything is over. So moment of inertia of this second rod you want to find out is moment of inertia about this axis plus about this axis. So if I want to calculate the moment of inertia, this I2 will be equal to 1 by 12 ml square plus m into L by 6 ka whole square. L by 6 ka whole square. So this is equal to ml square by 36. So or we can add these two quantities and we can get the total moment of inertia is equal to twice of 1 by 12 ml square plus ml square by 36. So equal to ml square is 6 plus ml square by 36. So this will equal to 7 ml square by 36 is the moment of inertia. But the question is not asking about the moment of inertia of the system. It is asking the radius of gyration. It is asking about radius of gyration. So in place of I, what do we write? People write the mk square, right? And there mk square, they will get the wrong result you will get. What is that? Now for the system we are calculating, the system ka mass is not m. It is equal to 2m into k square. So we'll go to the next page. So what we got, you got 2m into k square. Radius of gyration is equal to, we got the 7 by 36 ml square. So we simplify this one. We got the k square is equal to 7 by 72 L square, or k is equal to root 7 by 72 L. This should be our answer of the radius of gyration of the combined system about that particular axis.